Balik po tayo dito sa ating Pilipinas Commercial Basketball League. Robbie Celis on your screens and the rest of the Santa Lucia Realtors. Kalaban po ang Rudy Linganay led na Kama Motors. Third quarter na po ito. Magsa-start po ang ating third with the score of 47-29 with an 18-point lead para po sa mga sa Santa Lucia Realtors. At Jolly yung second quarter scoring 28 sa Santa Lucia, 18 sa Kama Motors. Ang dahilan kung bakit umubo ng ganito kalaki ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia.
Tama ka doon. Very big second quarter, pero eto na. Sorry, a very big second quarter para sa Santa Lucia. Pero ang ganda ng start nito mga Kama Motors. Third quarter, a big three-pointer para kay Royder Cabrera. Yan ang mga kailangan uminit dyan along with Rudy Linganay and nasa bench pa na JR Kawaling partner. Kailangan makapag-compete na itong Kama Motors.
Yung na sunod-sunod na puntos,
Yes.
yung hindi pa pwedeng isa kontra sa tatlo ng Santa Lucia.
And as you're saying that, nakapakuha ng stop ang Kama Motors sa kabila. Ito, this is a big possession. But Saitanan continues to shoot threes and miss. Going forward, Coach Jake.
More on Jesse Saitanan in the field. In the meantime, sama po natin sa ating balita. Itong si Mara Aquino.
Chicky Jolly, no pressure at all para sa Santa Lucia Realtors. Laid back sila sa dagat. Actually, halos 5 minutes lang sila nasa loob. Nagdasal lang sila. Konting reminder galing kay Coach Bonnie na di kailangan mag-alala sa opensa basta nandun ang pressure sa depensa. Sa Kama Motors naman, medyo nagalit si Coach Jing Ruiz, a sight that the players don't usually see. Dahil bihira lang daw itong magalit ang kanilang coach. Pero napag-usapan na nasapawan naman ang kanyang galit sa kanyang galing mag-motivate. Ang sabi lang niya, ang tayo dahan-dahan lang.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mara. Mukhang yung pinayo ni Coach Jing nagmamaterialize sa Jolly. 5 points galing dito sa Kama Motors, pero Taylor Weatherell sumagot ng 3.
Nga, masakit. Ito na naman ang jump. He can really make this. Well, at least now it's 7-2. Was it a three-pointer from Ryan Weatherell?
Yes, 3 ang binitawan.
Okay pa rin. Looking good. Dahil yung kalamangan na yan, biggest was 21. 20 points. Only down to 14 ngayon, Chicky. Big stop para dito sa Kama Motors. Very important to possession. It may be early pa dito sa ating third quarter, but you have to start now. Ang laki niyan ka nagka-catch up basketball ng Kama Motors.
This is a nice mini run for Kama Motors. 7-3 sa halos 2 minuto ng ating third quarter.
Sa possession. These are things that they can do without.
Celis to Weatherell and they'll call a foul dito kay Mark Montuano.
Rudy knows it. Saying sorry to Coach Jing. Saying sorry to Royder and the other guys in Kama Motors. Dahil yun na nga, you mentioned it's 7-3. They have to string up points. Try to get back to this ball game. In turn, nagpahagaw. Free throws para kay Weatherell.
And correct me if I'm wrong, the coaches, Coach Bonnie, Coach Jing, yes, they are hard on their players, but they will be extra hard on the veterans, yung mga nakatungtong na ng PBA.
Tama ka doon because get-go from the very beginning ng ating broadcast, sinasabi natin na the other players will really look to their veterans. As we're looking to Royder, they're looking to Kawaling and Rudy Linganay sa side ng Kama Motors.
All 5 points of Santa Lucia galing kay Taylor Weatherell dito sa third quarter. And this young point guard from California, again, played for Point Loma University. May report pa dyan itong si Mara Aquino. Mara?
Konting minuto lang ang nilaro ni Taylor Weatherell kaninang first half dahil apektado ang kanyang movement. He's nursing a right sprained ankle. So apektado ang kanyang movement, sabi nga niya nung halftime. May nararamdaman daw siyang sakit. Nangyari ito 1 week ago, pero 2 days pa lang siya nakakapag-ensayo. Ayaw daw persahin, kaya sabi ni Coach Bonnie, kung kailangan siya 5 to 7 minutes lang ang ibigay at a time. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Mara. Meron pang ankle injury.
Oo.
Pero 5 points na dito sa third quarter. 52-37, still Santa Lucia ang may kalamangan. Celis against Cabrera. Great defense coming from Saitanan.
Yes.
Tumatakbo ang Kama Motors. Linganay leading the attack. Royder. Extra pass. Royder for 3. That's good!
Very big basket. Cabrera only down by 12. Pero we have to give mention dito kay Jesse Saitanan. Splitting his free throws. Playing good defense on the other side, which became the three-pointer of Royder Cabrera. Patuloy ang magandang paglalaro ng Kama Motors.
Fajardo losing control. Pero last touch ang itatawag dito sa Santa Lucia. Either Wetherell or Celis touching the ball.
Turning out to be a very nice start ng third quarter for Kama Motors. Kanila na naman ang bola coming from a defensive stop dun sa kabila, ano, and not a basket win.
Makes you wonder kung yung kanilang, as reported by Mara, laid back halftime break, hindi nakaganda para sa Santa Lucia because right now it's all Kama Motors here in the third.
You're looking at those two na yung mga bench taktikas dyan sa Kama Motors. That's Jing Ruiz and Ron J. Inrayli. Those are competitors, partner. Makakarinig yung buong bench na yan doon. Lalamya-lamya sila. Patay yung bench na yan sa dalawang yan.
Of course, Coach Jing Ruiz, laman na yan, ano, partner ng ating mga ibang amateur leagues. And he is a master of the game. Ika nga. 6:45 remaining in quarter 3. Wetherell against Linganay. Shot clock mabasa 15. Hook pass. Ilagan. One-hander is good.
Nagkukulang pa ako sa laro nito si Raymond Ilagan. He's a very good player pero his numbers medyo nagkukulang pa dahil na marami rin siyang kapwesto dito sa 4 at saka sa 5 dito sa Santa Lucia. So not a lot of playing time pero magaling na player yan Ilagan.
14 ang abante dito ng Santa Lucia. Shot clock down to 7. Muntik mawala ang bola. Tuloy pa rin. Shot clock down to 3 or down to 2 and it's still Kama Motors.
Pere is a very agile player, no? Very quick on his feet. Galing ng defensa, magaling shoot. Not a lot of numbers yet for Santa Lucia pero ito pilit na tira nila ng Kama Motors. Mapuputokan silang shot clock.
Linganay trying to beat the shot clock. That has been the story for Kama Motors no first half. But here in the third quarter, they're showing some shades of brilliance. Kama Motors.
That's correct, Chigi. Again, 20-point lead. This is Ilagan talagang namemwerto dun sa ilalim. Pero ganda ng depensa ni Saitanan na naman.
Balik ang bola sa Kama Motors. Sa ilalim. Fajardo trying to bully his way in.
That's okay. Gets fouled. Dalawang free throws para sa kanya. 14-point lead. Pwedeng maibabalik sa Fajardo.
54-40 with 5:44 remaining sa third quarter. Santa Lucia pa rin po ang may kalamangan. They ask for a timeout dito po sa third quarter. Huwag po kayong bibitaw ang inyong PCBL. We'll be right back. Founders Cup and beautiful faces to grace ang ating opening ng PCBL. Fajardo on the free throw line, a product of Bulacan State University. Itong si Dominic Fajardo. At kanina, napakita natin ang ating mga foreign guests dito, ang kapatid ni
without Arjan telling me, alam ko na Wetherell.
Taylor Wetherell. That's right. So, 2 for 2 for Dominic Fajardo mula
run ng Kama Motors. Chiki.
That's right.
Well,
Jet. Hold out the bench. Expected naman yan from Jet Vidal.
Another stop para dito sa Kama Motors.
Meantime, Lunor. Siya may tangan kanina. Ngayon nakilinganay na ang bola. Against Wetherell. Ooh, great move from Rudy Linganay off the glass. Nope. Gets it back. And an offensive foul.
Sayang yung kay Rudy, partner. Everything but the shot para sa kanya. That's beautiful move. Change of direction. Hindi lang nakuha doon sa kanyang left-handed layup. So, sorry, miss galing kay Rudy.
At napangiti na lang si Coach Jing Ruiz. Saan nangyari? But they're still within good striking distance, Charlie, with 5 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Wetherell. Great cut to the basket at naisa niya si Rudy.
Alam ko ba may spray nito si looks looking good naman, ha? Pinanggaan siya ni Rudy Linganay ng malakas. Wanting matumba pero able to gather himself. Dalawang free throws pa para kay Taylor Wetherell.
Nung kabataan natin, nung kabataan mo rin. Pag may injury ka, pero opening game, alam mo magpapakitang gilas ka. Aba, makakalimutan mo yan. Ang problema na lang yung mamaya. No? Kung pepuwersahin niya.
Edad 19-20.
Madali ang recovery. Pagdating sa edad mo, mga Tatlo.
Papunta pa lang ako sa...
Tatlong buwan ang recovery.
Papunta pa lang ako sa gym. Pinapawisan na ako. Excited. Naglalaro tayo ng bata tayo.
55-42. 13 ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia. Linganay. He's all over the floor. Jumper is good for Rudy.
Pinakawin niya kanina yung gandang move pero missed shot. Ngayon, ang ganda ng kanyang tira pero bawi ka agad. Ni Mac Makuti.
And nobody actually recognized itong Orso Montilla streaking to the basket except for Taylor Weatherill.
Galing ng kanyang leak out. Eksakto lang, ano?
So, ito yung binabanggit mo kanina, Jolly. Ano? Talagang kinakayod ng Kama Motors, mga puntos. We saw Linganay earlier doing a lot of tricks before hitting that jumper. Pero ang balik sa kabila, simple lang.
Oo nga eh. That's the problem. Pero naman ng basketball, Chikit, talagang there has to be defensive stops. At daming score dito eh. Rudy Linganay, Saitanan showed that he can hit jumpers. Royder Cabrera is there. Fajardo hit some free throws earlier. There will be guys that will make the baskets, but you really have to sacrifice on trying to make defensive shots. The only way you're going to win basketball games.
57-46, 11 kalamangan dito ng Santa Lucia. Onwubere to Ivan. Kamasura, kick out. Shot clock, marami pa. It says 11. At the corner, Kamasura with a miss. Takbo dito ang Kama Motors. Linganay. Inaaral lang sa hig. Bautista was there. Lunor against Onwubere. The hook won't go in.
Ayan, puti move, spin move, tapos jump hook. Pero ito na naman ang Montilla, not that time, Chiki.
And the good thing here, Jolly, nag-umpisa ang ating third quarter, 18 ang abante ng Santa Lucia. I learned this from you. Naglalagay ng achievable target itong Kama Motors. It's now down to 11.
Sayang yun, because a basket for Kama Motors will mean 3-possession ball game na lamang yun, single digits. No? 11 ngayon, itong kalamangan ng Kama Motors.
Kamasura with the ball. Ivan. Wawi at the corner. Short two won't go in. And a foul will be called on Onwubere.
Okay lang, so Huawei is cautious, pero you really see he has the confidence firing up those 15, 16-footers. Eh, no? Meron siya niyan. Miss lang talaga that time. Well, if you're Kama Motors, yun ang gusto mo. Nice defensive stop para sa kanila.
Eh, in the first half, partner, nabanggit mo against Jesse Saitanan, he hit the bank shot from about 13-14 feet. Next play, ringless.
Another jumper galing kay Huawei.
Ang mabigat lang for Escocio ay may tatlong foul na siya.
Pero yan ang mga pangangatawang talking about Huawei Escocio dyan nasa gitna ng mga screens. Yan ang mga pangangatawan na kukuha ng mga rebounds, gagawa ng mga defensive stops. Yung pinakita naman na JR Kawaling, dyan dapat manggaling ang mga three-pointers ng Kama Motors.
So Kawaling is back joining Linganay and Royder Cabrera. Score po natin, 57-48. Single digit na lang ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia.
Sinasabi natin, 3 possessions na lamang yan, Chiki.
Under 3 minutes remaining in the third. Wawi, good tap by Linganay, pero may pito. At si Linganay matatawagan ng isa pang personal foul. Pangatlo ni Rudy Linganay and si Coach Jing Ruiz humingi ng timeout. They're only down by 9 points, 57-48. We'll be right back. PCBL Founders Cup, dito lamang po sa Pasig Sports Center. Ang score po natin, Santa Lucia 57, Kama Motors 48. 2:51 remaining sa ating pong third quarter. Chicky Reyes here with Jolly Escobar and completing our trio. We have Mara Aquino manning the sides para po sa unang laro ng PCBL Founders Cup. And you're watching us on Action TV. Escocio, pasok ang una, pasok ang pangalawa. Kaya angat muli sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia.
Turning out to be a nice quarter para dito sa Kama Motors. Ayan, 5 of 10 ang kanilang field goals itong quarter. 3 of 10 na Santa Lucia. Kaya nakakahabol na ng nabagya itong Kama Motors.
Pati sa rebound sa Jolly, 8 para sa Kama Motors and 4 lang sa Santa Lucia. So pag tinanslate natin yung mga magagandang numerong yan, ito ang resulta.
That's correct.
Down by 11 only.
Kahit wala tayo dun sa dugout ng Kama Motors nung halftime, alam mo na kung ano nangyari doon. Nice move galing kay Kawali. Kapas lang yung tiro.
And that ball is good because there was no clear possession from Jesse Saitanan. So they don't need to save that ball from the half court.
And it's a fresh shot clock para sa kanila. So pagkakataon para sa Kama Motors na mababawasan itong 11 point deficit.
Kanina kasi ang feeling ko yung Kama Motors, they thought that if they got the ball, backing violation na. But it wasn't a clear rebound.
Tama.
So pahinga muna si Onmo Bere. Darwin Lonor on the free throw line. Pasok ang una. So baba ulit sa 10 ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia with 2:20 remaining in the third period. Second free throw of Lenore. Cuts the lead down to 9.
2 minutes and 20 remaining sa ating third quarter. Chiki at 21 points na dito sa third quarter ang ginagawa itong Kama Motors. So turning out to be a very nice third quarter for them.
Kontra sa 12 lang
Oo.
ng Santa Lucia. So that's a big quarter indeed. Wawi na double team. Saan siya pupunta? Pasa niya. Nakuha ni Japs. Extra pass. Ilagan underneath is good. And he'll get a bonus free throw.
Gotta love yung pasa ng Chaps Bautista papunta dun sa kanyang big man. Sino mo ito? Takot sila dito kay Chaps. Boom! Inaabot si Chaps. I see my big man wide open. Easy basket. Raymond Ilagan.
And the maturity of Japs Bautista, kung medyo bata-bata yan,
Ibobomba.
di pa ako nagmimiti sa tres.
Tama.
Diba?
Ititira yun, ano? Pero mature. Ito, mas madaling basket. 3-point play pa para dito kay Raymond Ilagan. 12 points ang kanilang kalamangan sa Lucia.
And for a big guy to be rewarded, matutuwa ka sa guardian, sa shooter.
These are also instructions, partner. Kahit na you have a wide open 3-pointer. Not unless we're talking about end game na kailangan mo ng 3-pointer. No? Pero yung mga kalagitnaan ng laro tulad ngayon, you go for those easy baskets pa rin dun sa ilalim.
Montilla, Depsidu. Iniilag yung bola, meron siyang 6 puntos sa ating laro. And yan yung isa sa mga binanggit ni Jolly na in-expect niyang uminit. Baka ito na ang umpisa.
Yes, sir. Yung mga ganyang player, di mo masisiro yan. Malilimita mo lang, ano? Yung Kawali, nangangalabaw na dun sa may ilalim. Points have to come from J.R. Kawali. He's there for scoring, definitely.
Mabasa 12 ang abante ng Santa Lucia, 64-52 with 1:07 remaining in the third. First miss of Chaps from Rainbow Country.
He had one shot like that on the first half rin, about 3 or 4 feet away from the 3-point line. He made it, pero this time, good line, short lang.
Cabrera with a miss. Montilla on the other end. He has a total of 8 points at balik sa 14 ang kalamangan ng Santa Lucia, 66-52.
Sakto lang, nakikita niya na kagad pagka possession niya, hawak ng isang big man niya or basta possession na yung kanyang team. Split kagad naka-leak out kagad ang Mac Montilla. So ilang mga wide open layups na nakikita natin galing dito kay Montilla.
Lunor running shot, back rim. Royder, offensive rebound, and the follow-up is good.
Very nice play galing dito kay Royder Cabrera. Not only shoots 3-pointers that time, gets an offensive board and a put-back shoot.
Final 20 seconds of the third quarter. 12 pa rin ang abante dito ng Santa Lucia. Let's see if they can increase it to 14 or even 15. Montilla, sumusunod ng oras. Mabasa 7 ang segundo. Kamasura, 3 to shoot. To Ilagan. Ilagan, no. Basket is good.
Kamasura, eksakto yung kanyang pasa again. Dito kay Ilagan and another very good finish galing kay Raymond Ilagan.
68-54 makalipas ang 30 minutes ng ating laro. 14 ang abante ng Santa Lucia. Fourth quarter coming right up.